Lily, your painting looks so beautiful. What are you painting?
I'm painting the school garden. The flowers there are so colorful. What about you?
I'm trying to paint the sky, but my clouds don't look right. They look like cotton balls.
Actually, clouds do look a little bit like cotton balls.
I guess that's true, but mine look too round and too perfect. Real clouds are softer.
I know what you mean. Try using the brush very lightly. Just touch the paper softly. Don't press too hard.
Like this? Oh, that does look much better. Thank you, Lily.
See? Soft and gentle. Now they look like real clouds.
You're so good at art, Lily. Did you take art lessons before?
No, I just practice a lot at home. I fill sketchbooks all the time. Practice every day.
I can tell. Your flowers look so real. I love how you mixed the pink and orange together.
Thank you. I love mixing colors. Sometimes you get a completely new color you didn't expect.
Oh, that's so true. Look, I mixed blue and yellow and got green by accident.
A happy accident. Sometimes those are the best ones.
I love art class. It's my favorite class of the week.
Mine too. You can be free and just create. There's no wrong answer in art.
Exactly. Oh, Lily, I think your painting is the best in the whole class.
No, yours is lovely too. I love your sky. The cotton ball clouds are perfect.
Thank you. Cotton ball clouds it is then.
Okay, Lily, are you ready? We're going to mix these two liquids and see what happens.
I'm ready, but I'm a little nervous. What if something goes wrong?
Don't worry, Miss Sarah checked everything. It's completely safe. We're just mixing vinegar and baking soda.
Oh, I've heard of that experiment. It makes a big fizzing reaction, right?
Exactly. When they mix, carbon dioxide gas is released and it bubbles up fast.
Carbon dioxide? That's the same gas we breathe out, right?
Yes, exactly right. You remembered from the lesson. That's great, Lily.
Ha! I actually paid attention this time. Okay, let's do it. You pour the vinegar first.
Yes, I'll pour the vinegar in slowly and then you add the baking soda. Ready?
Ready. Pouring slowly. Okay, your turn. Add it now.
Adding it now. Oh, wow, look at that. Look how fast it's bubbling.
Whoa, it's overflowing. It's coming over the top. That's incredible.
Yes, that's the carbon dioxide escaping. Isn't science amazing?
That was the coolest thing I have ever seen in a classroom. I want to do it again.
We only have one experiment per class, but we can write up our results now.
Okay, so what do we write? What did we observe?
We write that when vinegar and baking soda are mixed, they produce carbon dioxide gas, which causes a rapid bubbling reaction.
Got it. I'll write that down exactly. Ryan, I think science might be my new favorite subject.
That makes two of us. I love science more than anything.
I can tell. You explained everything so well. You should be a science teacher one day.
Maybe I will. And you can be the artist who draws the science diagrams.
Deal. We make a perfect team.
Lily, have you been to our school library before? No, this is my first time. It's so beautiful in here. So many books.
I know. I come here every Tuesday at lunch. It's my favorite place in the whole school.
I can see why. It's so quiet and peaceful. I love it already.
Look, I found the book you mentioned, Around the World in One Summer. It's here.
Oh, wow. They have it here? So you don't even need to borrow mine.
I'll still borrow yours, but now I can start reading it right now in the library.
What am I going to read? There are so many choices. I don't know where to start.
What kind of story do you want? Mystery, adventure, fantasy?
I want something about friendship. A story where two people become best friends.
Oh, I know the perfect book. Come with me. It's in the fiction section.
How do you know where everything is in here?
I told you, I come every Tuesday. The librarian knows me by name.
That's so sweet. Okay,
Which book is it? This one. It's called Two Under One Umbrella. It's about two strangers who become best friends during a rainy trip.
That sounds perfect. Absolutely perfect. Thank you, Emma.
You're welcome. Okay, let's go sit down and read quietly. This is the best Tuesday I've ever had. Every Tuesday in the library is the best Tuesday.
Lily, you were so fast. I couldn't believe it.
I was trying so hard. I thought my legs would fall off.
You came in second place.
That's amazing for your first sports day here. I know, I'm so happy. My heart is still beating so fast. Who came first? Maya from Class 2B. She runs every morning before school. She's incredibly fast. Wow, she was so far ahead, I could barely see her. She's like a rocket. She really is. But you were right behind her. Everyone was cheering for you. Were they? I couldn't hear anything. I was just focused on running. Yes, the whole crowd was cheering. It was so exciting to watch. I was so nervous at the start. My legs felt like jelly. Really? You didn't look nervous at all. You looked so strong and confident. I was shaking inside, but once the race started, I just ran and didn't think. That's the best way. Just run and don't think. You were incredible, Lily. Thank you. You ran really well too. How do you feel? Exhausted, but happy. This is my favorite school day of the year. Mine too now. I want to run every sports day from now on. Yes, we'll train together. We can run in the mornings like Maya. Every morning? Okay, I'll try as long as you're with me. Deal. Starting Monday morning, 6 a.m. 6 a.m.? You're serious. Okay, deal. Best friend promise.
Okay, class. Today we are going to practice singing individually. Lily, would you like to go first?
Me? First?
Oh, Miss Sarah, I'm very nervous. Can I go last? Lily, I think you'll surprise yourself. What song would you like to sing? I know the song we practiced last week, Somewhere Over the Rainbow. That's a beautiful choice. Take a deep breath whenever you're ready. Okay. Takes a big breath. Okay. Start singing softly and nervously at first. That's it. Keep going. You're doing wonderfully. Sings more confidently, her voice growing stronger. After she finishes, Lily, that was absolutely beautiful. Really? I was shaking the whole time. I could see you were nervous, but your voice never showed it. You have a genuinely lovely voice, Lily. I've never sung in front of anyone before, only in my room at home. Well, you've been hiding a wonderful gift. You should sing more often. It was scary, but also I actually enjoyed it. Once I started, it felt good. That's exactly how performing feels. Scary before, wonderful during. You were so brave today. Thank you, Miss Sarah. I can't believe I did it. I feel really proud of myself. You should feel proud. It takes real courage to sing in front of others. Well done. Thank you. I think I want to practice more now. Maybe join the school choir? I was going to suggest exactly that. I think you'd be a wonderful addition. Really? Okay, I'll think about it. Thank you for pushing me to go first, Miss Sarah. Oh, what is that noise? That's so loud. What's happening? It's the fire alarm. Don't worry, it's just a fire drill. It's not a real fire. A fire drill? What do I do? I've never done this at this school before. It's easy. Just stay calm and follow me. We walk quickly, but we don't run. Okay. Walk quickly, don't run. Got it. And we leave everything behind. Don't stop to get your bag or anything. Leave everything? But my phone and my lunch bag are in there. Leave them. They'll be safe. In a fire drill, nothing matters except getting outside safely. Right. You're right. Okay, I'm leaving everything. Let's go. Good. Follow me. We go out through the side door and meet at the assembly point. Where is the assembly point? It's the far corner of the school field, the big oak tree. You'll see all the classes lining up there. Okay, big oak tree, got it. Emma, how are you so calm right now? We do this every term. I've done it maybe 10 times. I know exactly what to do. 10 times. Okay, I'll be calm too then. It's just practice. Exactly. It's just practice to keep us safe. Okay, here we are. Line up here. Looking around. Wow, the whole school is out here. Everyone came so quickly. That's the point. If it were a real emergency, everyone would know what to do. That actually makes me feel really safe, like everyone knows the plan. Exactly. Our school is very well prepared. Okay, I think the drill is almost over. That was fast, and actually, that was kind of exciting. Don't tell the teachers you found it exciting. Lily, I can't believe today was the last day before the holiday. 2 whole weeks without school. I know. 2 weeks feels so long. I'm going to miss seeing you every day, Emma. Me too. This has been such a good term. I'm so happy you came to this school. Me too. When I arrived on the first day, I was so scared and nervous. And then I met you. And now look at us. Best friends already. Best friends already. It happened so fast, didn't it? It did. Good friendships happen quickly. That's how you know they're real. That's so true. Emma, thank you for everything this term, for showing me around, for helping me, for always being kind. You don't need to thank me. That's what friends do. And you helped me too, you know. Did I? How? You helped me with my painting. You made me laugh every day. You made school so much more fun. I'm glad. You made it fun for me too. Okay, I have to go. My mom is waiting. Okay, have the most wonderful holiday, Lily. Rest and read lots of books. I will, same to you. Practice your piano, get really good and teach me when we get back. Deal, I'll practice every day. When we come back, I'll give you your first lesson. I'll hold you to that. Okay, Emma, see you in 2 weeks. See you in 2 weeks. Take care, best friend. Take care, best friend. Bye. Bye, Lily.